Today, we are going to discuss about the editorial which is given in today's Hindu newspaper. The main heading of newspaper, like the editorial, is Hospitals Affair. So the main topic was healthcare centers lack fire safety because governments pay lip service to the regulation. We know that now there were so many COVID centers and healthcare centers for the people who are suffered with a different type of diseases, and with now the virus was going on, right, like COVID, for suffering for that type of diseases and other type of diseases, like there were some health centers. Like we know that here in Swarna Palace, like here there was a fire attack, there was a fire. Accident right here, so this editor was about that. The shocking details of at least 19 people in special facilities for COVID 19 management in Vijayawada and Ahmedabad has exposed it to deep rot in regulatory process by institutional and commercial building safety. We know that in the COVID center in Ahmedabad also, like in every place there will be COVID center, right? Like they took example Ahmedabad, in Ahmedabad also there are some health centers, and even in Vijayawada. So they were like they are built for in the commercial and for institutional processes. Like now here Sona Palace is just is a hotel, but due to lack of beds or due to lack of hospital, because every hospital is turned into a COVID center, right? Here like taking an Sona Palace as an COVID center, care center or health center, it became something due to some disturbances or due to some build like carelessness of the building, like so their safety was lost, and so much commercially it was damaged, and so many other people were damaged. By level died in Andhra Pradesh incident where a hotel has taken over by a private hospital to run COVID 19 center. 9 patients perished in a blaze in a Gujarat hospital intensive care perished in the blaze in the unit in the intensive care unit. Due to this COVID, nearly 11 patients, like 11 patients were died. Like we know that so many people will lie on the beds, right, in the COVID center. So due to that bursting out of fire, they have even lost the fire because they like getting this COVID, like they'll be somewhat very dull and they cannot even breathe, or they cannot even be that much active like us, like normal people. So they cannot even effort to run fastly, or they cannot even effort to go or to feel or to call to anyone. So it was somewhat difficult for them also, right? Because like they'll be in a like not a like in a dull position, and they'll be somewhat in a half of the unconsciousness, right? Like because they'll be given so many medicines and so much food. So due to the taking of foods and due to taking of medicines or vaccines, like so many other people will feel somewhat tired and they'll even take rest. So the people who takes rest and who is somewhat dull and who is not that much like who are not in a consciousness, they have lost their life. Like at least almost 11 people have lost their lives. And Here, so like this, even in that incident, nearly 9 people were somewhat totally, like they were almost, and they were like so much they were in dangerous position, and they were kept in Gujarat ICU, where somewhat special treatment was going on them, or even a try for saving their lives. These ghastly incidents, which claim that the lives of those who are getting treatment or recovering from an infection is supposedly secure conditions by bear the lack of preparedness among states to manage the expanding pandemic and hasty contraction procedures. So even the people, like if they get COVID, if they take a right things or a right tablets, like they'll be easily recovered, right? But burning in a fire, like even like it's somewhat like without a mistake only, like they're losing their lives, right? So they said that the people who are suffering with an infections, like enough this coronavirus virus infection and other type of infections, and not only like COVID 19 patients, even some of the people who are suffering from different type of diseases also will be in the hospitals, right? So even they are also somewhat damaged, and they were also somewhat like we'll say like right that then there are somewhat like some of the people even died, so every family must get a compensation for recovering. And because like so many of the people like in every family, everyone will depend right on a main person. So if anything happened to the main person, like the family can't stand right like till some of the days. So they want to take a strict actions, and they want to take more measurements for these all the attacks. In a familiar pattern, civic and free authorities who are expected to monitor the safety of such blindings have sought to pin responsibility for the carnage on the owners of properties. So the safety of the building has said that the responsibility must be for not only for them but also for the doctors, or for the like we'll say right even for the security people and for the emergency checkups, or like for drivers every anyway like if you are staying like we'll say right if you are staying in a place, or we are doing any work, each and every person who work for that thing, like who work for a particular thing, everyone will be responsible for that, right? So everyone, if once or if one or once or one didn't or nothing, like first of all they have to be alert, but that was not happened in the situation. So it was somewhat like an angry and somewhat a sad thing also. They are being held responsible to failure to obtain no objection certificate, or in the case of portal turned COVID-19 case center carrying out electrical update for safety. This is the clearly untenable as Supreme Court of India observed a decade ago in the Upahar Cinema Fire tragedy, a case in Delhi, pulling up authorities including the Union Home Ministry for updating responsibility and passing the buck of management of industriation. So we know that in every hospital they'll take a no objection certificate, right? Like before an operation. So even so, the COVID-19 patients had kept they will write in a note, right? Like no objection certificate. So due to writing keeping sign on that, so there was somewhat like they will also be responsible, right, for their loss. So even here in the last year in Delhi also Upahar there was a Upahar tragedy where so much fire accident happened, and even the same incident also some of the people and some of the patients were also died. So even that was also again repeated here. So this all the people were some of the people were admitted in Gujarat ICU, and some of the people were admitted in Ahmedabad ICU, and some of the people were given a special treatment, like a high level treatment according to their money giving. And here the institute of in Ahmedabad ICU blaze, patients expected the institution to offer highest level of safety but suffered it as well ill equipment to fight a fire. So we know that for each of the cities or each of the herds will have different type of equipments, right? So for this fire safety, so the people who joined in Ahmedabad ICU, they thought that they'll get a special treatment and a safety treatment, and they also thought that like they'll be better in some days due to for the because they expected more on the Ahmedabad ICU. But like there was an ill equipment for ill equipment means like not a good equipment for the people who were attacked by fire, and they were also not somewhat they were in a risky position also, like they can't even take that much about the people who were burnt in a fire. Safety regulations of a building used for healthcare delivery is subset of all over need to regulate hospitals, and states should use the recent deadly fires as occasion to launch must delay reform. So here we know that like safety for building use. So like so many of the buildings will be given as a rent, not a rent, like for the centers, for the healthcare centers, for the COVID centers. So even in that even also in that like even though it was a building of others, we have to take it very carefully, right? Because there some of the people will be in the hospital, so we have to take care of the themselves, right? And hospitals means only that saving a person's life, but if the hospitals only took the life of a person, then it will be so much difficult. So it's a wrong thing, right? So anyone should not repeat it again and again. So everyone must learn. So because so many of the things were happening now, so everyone must learn about this, and everyone must correct their mistakes. Again, anyone should not even dare to repeat this mistake again. In the absence of safety system, many died of fire and smoke inhalation, and those who survived had nothing but luck to count on. We know that due to a fire, if we so much fire, even some of the smoke also will be released, right? So inhalation, so some of the people cannot keep themselves by closing their nose, right? So if they so one of the people had inhaled that smoke which is came from the fire. So that is one type of chemical fire, and a dangerous fire also. And because COVID or corona, COVID means having problem in our respiratory system or in a breathing problems. You know that there are symptoms, right? Even having this, even with that also extra, if we inhale a chemical air, we'll automatically lose our lives, right? So it is not that much. So this was happened in the same case. So many of the people had died due to the inhalation of air, and who are burnt, and who are most of the people were died due to inhalation of air. And some of the people have some of the people they'll be somewhat active, right? So by taking so much food they'll be somewhat active, right? So they themselves joined in another, in an hospital. So they easily escaped from that incident, and then we can say that they're even lucky. So even they rescued themselves by rescue themselves by using their intelligence, or even doing somewhat risk also, right? The situation cannot be allowed to continue. The National Building Code of India, with additional five safety provisions for hospital in the basis of our hospital accreditation system, but these should be mandatory and enforced in all the states. So, like this, so many other things will happen right in India. So, the India has finally decided that again this type of incident must not occur in any other place. So, every five safety measurements must be kept in every hospital. And whenever the fire comes, the on the spot, the fire equipment must act on this, and any life should not lose due to these type of fire accidents. And even the government, the central government also said that this rule must be implemented in all the states. His smoke alarms and sprinkler system, along with a focal fire fighting aid, are available. Loss of life can be eliminated. Smoking alarms means if any smoke was coming, mostly in the hospital, smoke come from when a building is burnt, or then only, right? So if the system was identify the smoke, then it will make a sound like alarm to be alert for every person. So by that, everyone can be alert, and they can even stop the fire before it was spread to the whole over the hospital. And firefighting aids means mostly waters only, right? So water must be mostly provided. And sprinkler system means whenever the fire comes, sprinkling of water, then it can in the next second when it can stop the fire, right? If these type of equipments are, if they are available in every hospital or in every center, then the deaths will be decreased, and even they can be even eliminated due to fire accidents. All patients should also be covered by sustainable life insurance. So every patient must also be careful, and they must also take a self care, and they must also cooperate with themselves, and they also be very careful in each and every situation. Evacuation systems for ICU patients need to be part of a building design. Often, hospital buildings are legalized to unproved construction by state governments acting thoughtlessly. So, here they also said that the hospitals which are taken for a lease for COVID centers, or hotels were taken for a lease for COVID centers. So, everyone must check the hospitals, whether they're constructed very well or not, or by good technicians or not. And even some of the people, state government, in some state governments, some of the, not all, but in some states, CM somewhat, they're somewhat careless, right? So anyone should not take this type of building designs. And we should not even we should check the equipment properly, and we should also see the safety measures of the building. Often hospital buildings, even they must also be ensured, because in the hospitals must also be under the control of government. Like first of all, they must be registered by the government. Schemes introduced to regularize building violations are clearly antisocial in character. So even though some of the schemes and rules which are kept by the government to the hospitals, if the hospital does not follow these type of the schemes and rules, then it will be the big mistake of the hospital, and it may and they in the end a serious action will also be taken by the hospital for them. The mainly fire in institutional buildings and their terrible toll should lead to full inspection of all such facilities for safety, with civil society keeping a pressure on the government to act. So everyone must request, not even request, which is a demand for the every government, that to take care of the all hospitals and all the places with the fire, because if we be careful only we can even survive our lives. First of all, the people, so we don't know that whether this building is good or not, we don't know, right? So because this all will be constructed by the government, so while starting of the construction only, the like they have to ensure whether it is a good or not. Then only every patient or any other people must enter into the building. So here like taking care responsibility of each and everyone is the responsible for everyone in the living of society, and also the responsible for government, and every government should provide a safety measures and safety things for the people. Even we know that some of the needs will be right from the government, so everything must be provided by the government to the hospitals. So by that, even the patients can also be safety, and they can also feel secure. Thank you.